Imagine waking up one day and realizing the job you've been doing for years is now being done by a machine. Crazy thought, right? But here's the truth. Artificial intelligence isn't coming in the future. It's already here. It's learning faster, working faster, and it doesn't need coffee breaks or weekends. So today, we're diving deep into a simple but serious question. Which jobs will AI replace first? And which jobs are actually safe? And don't worry, this isn't fear-mongering. This is about awareness, preparation, and opportunity. Before we start naming jobs, let's understand the pattern. AI doesn't replace people, it replaces tasks. So the question becomes, which jobs are made up of simple, repetitive, predictable tasks? Think of jobs that involve data entry, copy-paste work, checking documents, basic customer support, repetitive back-office tasks, simple digital content editing, filling forms, answering the same questions all day. These are the jobs AI loves because they're predictable, rule-based, and don't require deep emotional intelligence. If a job is routine, AI can do it. If a job needs human judgment, creativity, or relationship building, humans still win. 1. Data entry and admin assistance. These jobs involve typing, checking, sorting, and repeating the same steps daily. AI tools do this instantly and without mistakes. This is one of the first categories expected to shrink. 2. Customer support basic level. You've probably noticed this already. Chatbots answering your questions on websites. AI doesn't get tired, doesn't lose patience, and responds 24/7. Complex customer support still needs humans, but the simple stuff, AI is eating that up fast. 3. Cashiers and retail checkout. Self-checkout lanes, automatic scanners, and online payments. Many stores in the US already have more machines than cashiers. AI plus automation equals fewer frontline checkout jobs. 4. Telemarketing and cold calling. No one enjoys robotic sales calls, but here's the twist. AI voices are becoming so natural that you can't tell they're not human. Companies love this. It's cheap, fast, and scalable. 5. Basic graphic design and social media posts. Not high-level branding work, but simple designs like posters, thumbnails, basic logos. AI tools can handle these instantly. Templates plus automation equals fewer beginner designer jobs. 6. Basic video editing. For YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, many creators already use AI editors. Automatic subtitles, cuts, transitions, templates. Beginner-level editing is becoming fully automated. 7. Content writing that is formula-based. We're talking product descriptions, simple blogs, SEO writing, captions. AI systems generate these in seconds. Writers who only do simple text work may struggle, while specialized writers will grow. 8. Bookkeeping and simple accounting tasks. AI can scan receipts, categorize expenses, detect errors. Not full accountants, but entry-level bookkeeping is going down. 9. Delivery jobs eventually. Not today, but with drones, self-driving cars, and automated warehouses, delivery will slowly shift towards automation. This won't happen overnight, but the direction is clear. Now let's talk about hope because there's a lot of it. AI is powerful, but it's not human. It lacks emotion, intuition, creativity, ethics, and empathy. Here are jobs that AI won't touch anytime soon. 1. Creative jobs with originality. High-level filmmaking, deep storytelling, acting, branding, script writing with emotions, a music and art that carry soul. 2. Skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, mechanics, carpenters. These require physical hands and real-world problem solving. 3. Healthcare, nurses, therapists, psychologists. Humans want humans when they're vulnerable. 4. Teachers and educators. AI can assist, but teaching is emotional, personal, and deeply human. 5. Leadership and management. AI can advise, but leadership is human connection, trust, empathy, and decision-making. 6. People-facing careers. Real estate, sales, coaching, counseling. People trust people, not robots. Here's something most people forget. Every time technology replaces jobs, it also creates new jobs. AI is the same. We are seeing a rise in roles like AI trainers, AI editors, prompt engineers, automation supervisors, digital creators, online educators, cybersecurity analysts, data specialists, AI-assisted video editors, freelancers who use AI tools. People who use AI are replacing people who don't. So here's the real question. What should you do to stay ahead? Simple. 1. Learn AI tools, don't fight them. 2. Focus on skills AI can't replace. Storytelling, creativity, building relationships. 3. Pick a future-proof field like digital marketing, editing, tech, automation, design, leadership. 4. Keep learning, the world is moving fast. 5. Use AI as your superpower, not your competition. Remember, AI is not the enemy, it's a tool. And people who learn how to use this tool will never run out of opportunities. The future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to the people who know how to use AI.